Athletes are required to follow the anti-doping rules of their sport, which adopt the World Anti-Doping Code. The code seeks to harmonise the rules, policies and regulations regarding anti-doping across all sports and all countries. The code is supported by 5 international standards that ensure a uniform approach to anti-doping around the world. Number 1 is the prohibited list. This list, which is reviewed annually, identifies substances and methods that are prohibited in and out of competition. Number 2 is the international standard for testing. This ensures that policies and procedures for testing athletes are consistent and maintain the integrity of samples collected as part of doping control, from notification through to transporting samples for analysis. Number 3 is the international standard for laboratories. This ensures that samples are treated in a way that protects their integrity through robust quality assurance standards and uniformed reporting of results from all WADA accredited laboratories. Number 4 is the International Standard for Therapeutic Use Exemption, or TUE. The standard ensures a harmonised approach in the granting of a TUE for a prohibited substance and/or method. Finally, the International Standard for the Protection of Privacy and Personal Information ensures information held on athletes by anti-doping organisations is stored securely and maintains confidentiality. Fundamental to the code is the principle of strict liability. An athlete is solely responsible for any prohibited substance found in their system, regardless of how or why it got there. As the country's national anti-doping organisation, we are responsible for upholding and implementing the requirements of the code.